Good morning, dignitaries. Myself, Raidu. I had done PG Neural Networks in Jain University. I am conducting the faculty development programs for this 2020-21 academic. It will start from August 16th to December 31st. Actually, faculty development programs is having one-day program. It is in that excellent teaching techniques and how to empower the memory bandwidth of the students and goal setting, tracking, this kind of things are there. Actually, its duration is 2 hours for 3 days. So every day we will conduct this 2 hours program in our school. If you contact us to 7619161640 through SMS, we will contact you. We will conduct the programs in our school. So if the teachers face this kind of programs, really they shall excel the academics, and some art of living content will be there for the teachers. So if the teachers explain the information through the memory based learning process to intelligence based learning process, then really they could see an outstanding academics. Why? Because memory based learning process is a resource only, it's not an intelligence. So teachers would have to shift to the intelligence based learning and teaching techniques to the students. So if you want this program in our school, please SMS to us 7619161640. Fees is 10,000 rupees. Okay, thank you very much.